Hey, what's up everybody? So today, I haven't been here in about 20 years. I'm at Buffalo Bill's Casino and Resort. Here in the background, you see the Desperado roller coaster. I'm super excited. They opened back up. Yeah, this is pretty much my childhood here. So I just want to show you guys some of the updates. Okay, so I started running over here. One thing I did not expect them to be having, oh my god, the log ride. They have the water running on the log ride. There's hope that this thing is gonna open back up. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I hope Desperado opens up next. I really do. I am so hyped right now. If y'all can see the excitement in me just running to this thing, just wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's gonna come back. It's gonna make a comeback. Super hype. So this is like a really big deal for me because, like I said, I haven't been here in 20 years. I used to come here, my parents used to have me over here with an all-day ride wristband when I was a kid. And yeah, like that was just my thing. I used to ride Desperado over and over again, the log ride over and over again. I'm just so happy to see the water running and that this thing might actually open back up. And I'm crossing my fingers that Desperado opens back up. So I assume they're not testing the ride, and they've probably been testing the ride, but I don't think they're currently testing it because that thing's still a little closed. I'm actually glad to see people here. Like, that's what I'm actually really happy about as well. So if you see these little things on the wall, it's like a little game, and you would shoot little targets.
It's not operating though.
They have the Bonnie and Clyde cart here. So here's the back half of the arcade. It should continue into there. Oh, it looks like they don't have that half of the arcade there anymore. So from when I was a kid, arcade games used to go all through up here, all through back here as well. I don't think they have some back here anymore. No, they don't. Oh wow. Do they put the drop tower back here though? That's what I want to know. I don't think they did. No, there's a bunch of storage back there. And the entrance to the Log Flume is over there. So back here, there used to be a bunch of arcade machines. I don't think there's anything here no more. From what it looks like, no. Like I'm taking like a little peek. I can give y'all like a little peek back there. I don't think so. And they do not have this blocked off, by the way. So I think I can walk up to the entrance of the Log Flume. And they have logs here. They have logs. Oh my god. So I assume this is going to be fully back up and running. If I can ride this today, I would be so happy. But they do indeed have logs here. And here is the entrance to Desperado. Now that's blocked off, so I can't take you guys through there. But there it is. I've ridden this roller coaster, I can't tell you how many times. I used to ride it over and over and over as a kid. Okay, kind of see up there where the loading gates are. As you can see, for those who don't know, the lift gate of, or the lift hill of Desperado goes through the casino itself. That was always really cool. Looks like there's still some bars and stuff closed down, but there's the arena entrance. Ah man, I'm really hoping for a big comeback for this place. I really am. So I'm trying to get to a gift shop here. See if I can get my hands on a Desperado t-shirt. If I can, I'll be extremely happy. If not, it's okay, I understand. Just where you check in for the hotels. Okay, I found a gift shop. Let's cross my fingers and get my hands on a Desperado shirt. So unfortunately, the gift shop does not have any Desperado shirts. I'm still crossing my fingers that they can open stuff up. The lady was like, I don't think so. It's too much maintenance and stuff. I don't think the rides are gonna open back up, but like, the fact that we saw the log ride running, I feel like it's some hope. Some hope that things are, I don't know, as far as like for like a theme park, like a fanatic myself, like, I don't know. I just really hope stuff does open back up. So it does look like they still have restaurants open. The buffet is open. I'm vegan, so I wouldn't need the steakhouse, but for those that do. And it looks like the Denny's might be open as well. Yes, the Denny's is indeed open. So for those that wanted to stop over here at Primm, there is restaurants open now. Now, unless my memory's wrong, I do remember there being a Denny's and stuff over there open. It did have a buffet, and it looks like they do have a pizza place that's open now too. So I remember there used to be arcade machines when I was here when I was younger. There used to be arcade machines down here. I mean, they have to reopen this, right? Why else would they be wasting so much money running the water? And also, you cannot leave without getting video and a picture of the Desperado sign. And for those that were wondering, This is the old school merch I was looking for that I wish they had. Desperado hoodie. I really hope they bring some of this merch back because I would really love to snag me some. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this super nostalgic journey. I'm so glad to see this place open back up. I'm crossing my fingers. Even though employees have their doubts that stuff will open, like the rides at least. Cross my fingers that they will. Thank you guys so much. If you like this video or if you like my channel, please subscribe. Sorry I said that weird. I'm just still just But please subscribe and please give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Almost forgot to mention, here's the monorail station. I almost missed this coming out. When there used to actually be a functioning monorail that would take you between the casinos and I believe the mall, but I believe they might have just went between the Primm Whiskey Pete's and here Buffalo Bills. Alright, let me see if I can get a good video of just how big this drop is. There we are. Yes. Mind the weird sounds that I made.